What you're looking at is the new Geely EX2. Geely Philippines is challenging us with putting this amount of luggage in 1 minute.
So we're trying the challenge again because he failed. So try ko naman, di ba? Hindi naman daw kailangan ilagay ng maayos. Excuse me po, sir. Excuse me po. Sorry. Okay, medyo maliit kasi ako no? Wait lang. Bigay natin yung ganyan. Medyo mabigat siya, in fairness. So, napagkasya ko siya. Sabi naman nila, ang instructions kasi, hindi naman ako kailangan isara yung sasakyan. Pero, actually, if you pull down yung seats sa likod, kasyang-kasya lahat ng luggage na yun.